Hey everybody, this is Nick again at Desert Valley Powersports, Prosser, Washington, CFMOTO dealer. Today I'm going to show you this amazing build had a customer do to his UForce 1000. He's done everything that you can think of. If you can think of more, let us know. Everything that he's put on came from our dealership with the exception of the tires, courtesy of Les Schwab here in Prosser. So he does have the Maxxis 30-inch Liberty tires on there, DOT rated. He does have the street legal kit. Also switched over his winch to the synthetic rope to do that plowing. So he also has the plow mount and tow hook on here. Get a good look at these tires also. This UForce 1000 only has 400 miles on it, obviously ticking up a little bit here and there every day. He's willing to sell it. He really enjoyed building this, and now he's ready to build something else. So he also has the 52-inch light bar on there. Got the cool flip-up windshield. It's about 98 degrees today, maybe hotter. So I got it cracked open there for the vent. See here, he's got the cell phone holder. He added some switches as well. So one for the street legal signals, LED light bar, and also put in the eco and sport function. Add the switch right there. So if you haven't seen a UForce 1000, this is definitely not stock. Take a look at it there. He added these soft doors on here that when he plows in the winter time, doesn't need a heater, stays relatively warm in here. You got your stereo also. Get your tunes going while you're cruising. UForce 1000 also comes with a drop-down center console and flip it up to have a third-person seat. Completely cabbed, also has the back windshield on there. As you know, the UForce 1000 has a huge bed tilt. The street legal kit that he has, when you go into reverse, you actually have reverse lights as well. Showing you how you can build one out yourself. Again, you can get everything here at the dealership to build out your UForce 1000, your Z-Forces, anything like that. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please contact me. We can get you in contact with the owner and see if you can get this built out UForce 1000. Amazing condition, tons of add-ons. Let me know. This is Nick at Desert Valley Powersports. Thank you.